a bunch of things. I've been catching up listening to some podcasts, and one of them is Ed Niedermeyer's Autonocast, which, by the way, no matter what you think of Ed, the Autonocast is a brilliant show that has super important people in that field. Do check out the Autonocast. It's a great show. And
And I wouldn't call it Ed Niedermeyer's Autonocast. I mean, he is on the show. He is one of the but yeah, it's not like it's the Ed
right.
show. I mean, come on.
Ed Niedermeyer, Kirsten Korosek, the TechCrunch's mobility editor, and Alex Roy from the Human Driving Association and Argo AI. All wonderful people, smart people. And again, they get on the movers and the shakers in this business and talk to them. And they have some great discussions. One of the things that came from one of those discussions is sort of dovetailed into another thing that's been bubbling in the back of my head. And that's that we talk a lot about what car company is going to save us, or who's going to, is it, we need to move we need to buy more Teslas, or we need to buy more Leafs, or whatever it is. And the truth is, in my opinion, and that's what this is, we're not going to car our way out of this. What we need are fewer cars, fewer, better cars. We need more electric cars. We need more partial zero emission vehicles, more hybrids, whatever, plug-in hybrids. We need to get away from pure gas cars, but we also need fewer cars. We need to look at better mass transit that works for everybody. That's how we're going to reduce our carbon footprint. And by the way, just as a weird little side thing, we make things better for everybody everywhere if we have better transit that everyone can access, not just people who can afford a car.